And again, thank you for being here today. I welcome Donna Hutchinson.
Celtic Prayer of St. Patrick. I bind to myself today the power of heaven, the light of the sun, the brightness of the moon, the splendor of fire, the flashing of lightning, the swiftness of wind, the depth of sea, the stability of earth, the compactness of rocks. I bind to myself today. The Eternal One guides me. The Eternal One teaches me. The Eternal One speaks through me. The Eternal One hears me always. Christ with me, Christ before me, Christ beneath me, Christ above me, Christ at my right, Christ at my left. I bind myself today to the power of heaven,